Welcome back to Overheat, Kenworth Motorhome, 2026. Outside, contemporary Kenworth Truck Base. The RV is probably going to be powered by a brand new Kenworth chassis, maybe the W990 or T680 Next Gen models. With its big chrome grille and cutting-edge LED headlamps, the front end will still have the tough and intimidating Kenworth look. Automatic awning and panoramic windows, huge double-pane windows will offer superior insulation and sweeping vistas. Plenty of external storage. There will be plenty of room in the spacious underbody storage compartment, modern exterior lighting, LED lights throughout the RV, including movable subterranean lighting. Kitchen interior features include a large sink with sensor faucet, a small dishwasher, an induction cooktop, a convection oven, microwave, and a full-size refrigerator with freezer, king-size bed with height adjustment and opulent. Master bedroom, multipurpose living and dining area. This space will have a TV, a modern entertainment system, a fold-out or extensible dining table, and a cozy leather sofa. Premium materials, authentic hardwood floors, fine leathers, opulent vinyl flooring, and contemporary matte or gloss finishes are just a few examples of the premium materials used throughout the interior. LED lights are used for adaptive lighting around the house. Drivetrain and Performance. Strong diesel engine, a Kenworth diesel engine with enough horsepower and torque to easily handle tough terrain and tow additional cargo, most likely a Cummins X15 or PACCAR MX-13. Advanced automatic transmission. For a comfortable ride, look for a smooth, effective automatic transmission, most likely from Eaton or Allison. Adaptive air suspension is a full-length, height-adjustable suspension system that offers outstanding ride comfort in a range of road conditions. Water and Air Filtration System. HEPA Air Filtration System for the best indoor air quality, and an advanced water filter for safe drinking water. Security system, digital door locks, an alarm system, and outdoor surveillance cameras will be included as standard.